Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and one of the questions I get all the time that I want to answer: should you move to the October 2018 update? Now, you might have heard of all the problems that has been plaguing the operating system. You might have some opinion that, oh, that apparently is a bad version. Let's not update to this version. What do you do, and what should you do? So, okay, first of all, let's put things in perspective. There's been some issues, and Microsoft has pulled the October 2018 update for about a month before actually putting it back online early November. So it's, they fixed the major issues, which the biggest one was probably the file deletion bug that would delete files. Well, that is fixed. And so they fixed a few things, including a zip file problem also. And, the real thing about the October 2018 update is that when you look at the amount of people that updated yet and the amount of problems that come from the upgrade, the majority of people have a very good install without any glitches. Every version of Windows 10, every new version had glitches that were reported. It's part of this upgrade process of Windows, which is a very complex thing. The thing is, I would say don't be afraid of the October 2018 update, but don't push it, because you can actually push it and install it by yourself. If you go to the Windows 10 download page, you'll be able to upgrade from there with the media creation tool. But I do not recommend. That's what I don't recommend. If you have a problematic install on Windows 10, it's probably blocked right now. There are several issues that are preventing users from actually getting the update. So if you don't see it in Windows Update, don't worry. It means that they're doing their job. They actually look at the telemetry and your machine's not ready yet. And it will at some point appear in the Windows updates, and that's what you need to concentrate on. It's the most important thing is that. So I would say don't be afraid of the October 2018 update, but don't push it. Wait for it to arrive simply on your machine. And if you really, really don't want it right now, in Windows 10, there's a little trick that you can do. You can go to, and I can show you here. Simply go to your internet connection. Go to your internet connection and on your computer. In the properties of your internet connection, there's something called set as metered connection. If you turn this on, this does not prevent your Windows 10 operating system from getting security updates, but it will prevent your Windows operating system from getting these big feature updates right now. So you can do that in just for a while if your computer's working, and you'll see at some point if you want to get the October 2018 update, well, you'll be able to put the slider back at off. And remember that the updates are 18 months in support. That means that the April 2018 update will have end of support somewhere in the fall of 2019. So at some point you'll have to move on. You'll have no choice. But it's not. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to do it right now. So wait for it. Don't rush it. And I don't think you need to be scared of it. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.